In today's video, I'm going to show you whether Walk Cash is legit, an honest review, plus how to withdraw. Walk Cash is one of the newest walk to earn apps claiming to pay users for every step they take. The concept sounds appealing. You walk, earn stars, and later convert them into real money through PayPal. According to a review by nijanewlife.com ng, the app combines a fitness tracker with a reward system. Users collect coins by walking, watching ads, or spinning a reward wheel. The app promises $1 for every 1,000 stars, which feels achievable at first, but that's where things start to look suspicious. Several sources, including Nija New Life and Vincent Reviews, note that no confirmed withdrawals have been reported since the app's release in mid-2025. Many users say the balance increases normally, but when they reach the withdrawal threshold, the payout either fails or keeps processing indefinitely. This is a pattern shared by several ad-driven apps designed to keep users engaged. These reviews highlight that Walk Cash may prioritize ad revenue over actual user rewards, a sign common among apps that appear legit but don't deliver payouts. Looking closely at the app's listing on Google Play, Walk Cash also displays the typical entertainment purpose only disclaimer in its terms of service. This is usually an indicator that any money shown inside the app is virtual and not guaranteed to be paid out. Reviews on websites like Nija New Life also mention that the app bombards users with ads, making progress very slow and tedious. This strategy helps the developers earn from ad views while keeping users hopeful for rewards that might never come. However, the app does track steps accurately, so it can still serve as a free fitness tracker. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.